Hi, today I'm making a holiday 7-Up cake. So this very simple cake is 3 cups of flour. Um, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a lemon extract. It will also require a cup and a half of softened butter, so the butter should be room temperature, 5 eggs, as well as 3 cups of sugar, okay? And then 3/4 cups of 7-Up. And so you're going to begin by creaming the butter and the sugar together and adding 2 tablespoons of lemon extract. Okay, so you'll add both of those after the butter and sugar is completely mixed. You'll add that. Then next you'll add your room temperature eggs one at a time. Okay, and so you'll mix that well, and then you'll begin to add in gently your flour to the butter, sugar, egg mixture. After the flour has been completely combined, you're going to add your 3/4 cups of 7-Up. Next, you're going to prepare your pan. So because this particular recipe requires a large either bundt cake pan, not the normal size, or a deep pound cake pan, I use my pound cake pan. And so I've spooned in my batter as well as made sure the batter was nice and even. So a couple of taps on the counter. And then I've placed it in the oven at 325 degrees. And then I'm going to bake it for about 90 minutes. And once it's done, you can stick a toothpick in it. But you're going to let it cool, and you'll place the 7-Up cake on a plate. Next, to make the glaze, you'll need a cup of powdered sugar, 1 whole lemon, and you'll be using the zest of the lemon as well as the lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of 7-Up, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla. And you're going to mix all of those ingredients together, and then you're going to pour the very thin glaze over a cooled cake. Now, I like a little bit of crunch to this cake, so I use this thin glaze, but next what I'm doing is I'm adding powdered sugar. In addition to a very sort of festive look, it also gives a nice little crunchy top to the cake, and making it a little bit special for the holiday season. And so this is my holiday 7-Up cake. I hope you enjoy it. Very simple to make. You can find this recipe just about anywhere.